Alright, well, XG, Shooting Star official music video. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Tell me if the audio... Yeah. Beat's different. Oh, is she kicking?
Everything I do A1. Going same pandemonium.
Okay.
Always looking fresh, got the green in my diet. Head to my toe, shining like canary
diamonds. Ooh.
Freedom cool kiss, not into it. Going stupid.
Stupid saucy.
We a movement.
Oh, that was a dope transition. Sorry. Shout out to Harvey. That little transition stamp to the forehead.
We a movement.
Never losing.
Make you move.
Hey. Okay, nice switch up. No days off. Oh, she got the Hello Kitty fit too. That beginning was already hard too. The fact that they switched it up to more like a... Whoa. Oh, like some Sailor Moon. Woo! So lavish? Okay. Ooh, I heard the little movements too. So lavish. Dang. I remember when they came out with the teaser with the blue hair. Suit and booty. Suit and booty.
I got that spaceship jumping ready for my line.
Hey. Ooh. Going dumb. Doing nothing.
I'm gonna wanna be.
Nobody touching. No days off. Ooh, the formation is crazy too. Wow, production though. The chorus makes me feel so good though. Like, ooh, okay. We need a body roll. We need a little body roll in there. Hey. Do it for the team. So lavish. Ooh. Ooh. There's so much actually really happening. Rockin' with the dream team. Hey. Okay. That's how you live though. Oh, it's all the way. Ooh. It's like a battlefield. Vocals. Ooh. Like a dream. Ooh, nice scout. That was nice. Oh, they just vibing. It's the confidence for me, especially like literally. I mean, I kind of already know like Harvey and the girls, them are already confident, but just like right here. Oh yeah, Juden. Hey, shout out to my dad. He's watching. By the way, if you're seeing this on YouTube, I'm live on Twitch. The beginning. Oh wait, let me finish to the end though. Bitch, you can't imagine. Beautiful. Okay. XG, is XG that girl group right now? They're that girl group right now? The very beginning, it was so like trap hip hop, and then they just switched it up to like a groove.
Everything I do
A1 flawless. Riot.
Always looking fresh, got the green in my
diet.
Head to my toe, shining like canary
diamonds.
Freedom cool kiss, not into it. Going stupid.
Saucy. That's a dope transition.
Never losing. Make you move, stay poppin'.
Ooh. Days off. That was fire. Stars in the dark. Why is that like? That star reminds me of like Mario. Oh, the transformation reminds me of like Sailor Moonish. Oh, this fire right here. It's the simple things. The little attention to detail is nice.
Cause we cool and suit and booty just for fun. You couldn't run up on me, I'm too out of this world. I got that spaceship jumping ready for my line. For my bread, I'm just going down. I ain't trying to buy your shots, but they do it now.
They got it all. They got the dance, the hip hop, the rap, the outfit.
That's
like an IG like kind of like setup
like
almost.
when you're the security kind of thing. And they're all
oh
like
yeah.
Alphas.
Oh wow. I wanna be nobody touching me. I got this energy.
What y'all think? And then going to like the climax of the chorus. Hey, hey. For sure. Hey. Oh, my dad is watching me with the dogs. That's cute. But yeah, Shooting Star. That's a great because it's a single album, right? With a.
Going up. Yeah, it's good.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an X, so that joint is old school. A minute like swimwear.